Shut up and sit down.
This is too funny. So I parked in the same place I parked last time to go paddleboarding. Someone's next to me, so hopefully I'll have enough room to set up the paddleboard. So while I was checking out where I'm gonna pump it up, I saw my previous fins that I had stupidly left on my wheel and then ran over. So thankfully the company sent me a new set of fins, but there it is, my lowly fin from 3 weeks ago that's still here. And there's another one over here. So those are the ones that I left on my wheel and then ran over, and there's the other remnants of it right here. I don't know where the third one is. Might be under the vehicle somewhere. Anyway, so I'm going to pump out the paddleboard. Beautiful day, just went for a 20-mile bike ride, and not a lot of paddleboarders out right now, but it's only 9 o'clock in the morning, so it should get busier later. Probably gonna get super hot a bit later. And then I'll head over to McKinney Falls to go take a shower and maybe just like chill out there for a little bit and then figure out what I'm going to do this evening. So I'm not quite sure yet. My friend's playing a show, but I don't know where, and I don't know how sweaty or gross I'll be. Anyway, alright, so let's go paddleboarding.